guys, it's me Sonia. Welcome back to my channel, and I'm gonna make some more stuff on the bonsai tree, and I'm gonna make a fish tank for my shrubs. So this is my plan. These are the things we need. We need a fish tank, we need a filter, we need a glue, we need plants, and bonsai tree, and the stones, decorated ones, and the light to light everything that we need. Even the moss and the substrate. Let's go straight to work. Let's glue our moss to the bonsai tree. This is our final result, and I know the moss is not pretty on this tree, but when it grows bigger, it's going to be much more prettier. Okay, for this step, we are going to put this inside the fish tank, and then we are going to decorate everything and gonna plant everything. Okay? So, and we are going to decorate it with some rocks and stones that turn into rocks and plants too. This is what we got. Now the filter and the lights. Let's do that. Everything is ready for the water, so we did everything that we need. Put a paper towel so the water could not disturb or mix everything. This is how a nano tank turned out, and don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel.